Did you know that only 8% of people actually stick to their New Year's resolutions? Surprising, right? Today, we're diving into motivation strategies so you can beat the odds and make real progress on your goals. We're revealing powerful motivation strategies that will help you tackle personal and professional challenges, no matter how big they seem. Ready to supercharge your momentum? First, let's talk about why so many of us struggle to stay motivated. Distractions like social media or endless to-do lists can derail even the best intentions. We also face a lack of clear direction. Without a roadmap, it's easy to lose focus and quit. Plus, there's burnout. Pushing ourselves too hard without proper balance leads to exhaustion and discouragement. Sound familiar? Luckily, there are simple but effective motivation strategies you can use right away. Set SMART goals. That means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to get fit, try, I'll run 5K 3 times a week for the next 2 months. Create a vision board. Grab old magazines and printouts, or simply use a digital tool to visualize your goals, fitness, career milestones, or even personal development. Seeing your vision board daily keeps you inspired. Find an accountability partner. This could be a friend, colleague, or online group. Checking in with someone regularly can keep you on track and push you to follow through. Now, here's the strategy countless success stories point to. Positive affirmations and visualization. Taking a moment each day to visualize your end goal, how it feels, what it looks like, and how it will change your life, can light a fire under you. Coupled with positive affirmations like telling yourself, I am capable of tackling any challenge, or I am becoming the best version of myself, you reinforce a winning mindset. Studies show this kind of mental rehearsal actually primes your brain for achievement. We covered SMART goal setting, vision boards, the power of an accountability partner, and finally, the impact of affirmations and visualization. Each method helps you stay motivated, but remember, what works best for you may be different from someone else's. Experiment and find your perfect match. Incredible, don't you think? Now it's your turn. Share your favorite motivation strategy in the comments below. What keeps you going when things get tough? And if you're serious about crushing your goals, check out our next video on goal setting mastery right here. Point or click on the suggested video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on living your best life.